Today, we're tapping on the fear that maybe you're not going to be okay. And I think almost everyone knows this feeling at some level. That feeling where something seems uncertain, out of your control, or unresolved, and your mind immediately starts trying to predict the worst case scenarios. Maybe it's money, maybe it's your health, maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's something you can't even fully explain. But underneath all of it is usually the same fear. What if I'm not okay? And when we get stuck in that fear, the nervous system starts treating uncertainty like danger. The body tightens, the mind races. We start trying to control everything because part of us believes control equals safety. And as I always say at the beginning of these sessions, please take full responsibility for your own well being. If you're struggling deeply with anxiety, fear, panic, or emotional overwhelm, give yourself permission to seek whatever support feels healthiest and safest for you. Tapping can be an incredibly powerful tool, but it's okay to ask for help and support too. Today, we're not pretending uncertainty doesn't exist. We're not pretending difficult things never happen. We're simply helping your body, mind, and spirit move out of survival mode long enough to reconnect to something deeper. The possibility that even if life feels uncertain right now, you may still be okay. Because fear often convinces us that uncertainty means danger. But uncertainty is also where healing, change, opportunities, and growth can happen too. So today we're creating a little more calm inside the unknown. So close your eyes and take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it and let it go. And just notice what happens inside your body when you think about the thing you're afraid of right now. Notice where the tension shows up. Maybe it's in your chest, your stomach, your head, your throat. Maybe part of you feels overwhelmed trying to control what might happen next. Maybe part of you feels exhausted from carrying this fear for so long. And maybe part of you genuinely doesn't know how things are going to work out, and that's okay. You don't need to force certainty right now. You don't need to solve your entire future in this moment. We're just helping your nervous system soften enough to remember that you can handle this moment right now. So take a breath in, another breath in, and open your eyes. So, taking responsibility for your own well being, tap with me. Tap and repeat what I'm saying. So, tap where I tap and say what I say. Side of the hand. Even though I'm afraid I won't be okay, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though the situation feels out of my control, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though part of me is terrified about what might happen, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. And I'm open to feeling safer now. This fear that I won't be okay, this fear of the unknown, part of me feels unsafe. Part of me feels overwhelmed. And part of me keeps trying to control everything because I think control will make me safe. But it's exhausting carrying all this fear. And I'm ready to release some of it. Maybe I don't actually know what's going to happen. Maybe my mind keeps imagining worst case scenarios, trying to protect me, trying to prepare me. But staying afraid all the time isn't protecting me. It's draining me. It's exhausting my nervous system. And I'm ready to soften that now. Part of me is afraid things won't work out. Part of me feels powerless. Part of me feels out of control. And maybe life does feel uncertain right now. But uncertainty doesn't automatically mean danger. And I don't need to treat every unknown like a threat. I can breathe through this moment, one moment at a time. I choose to release some of this fear, at a cellular level, releasing panic from my body, releasing fear from my nervous system, releasing the pressure to control everything. Releasing the belief that I must have all the answers right now. I allow my body to soften and feel a little safer. And maybe I'm more supported than I realize. Maybe life isn't trying to destroy me. Maybe I can trust myself more deeply. Maybe I can trust God more deeply. Maybe I don't need to carry everything alone. Maybe I can stop fighting reality for a moment and allow myself to breathe again without all this fear. No matter what happens, I am going to be okay. Even if life gets difficult sometimes, Even if things don't go perfectly, I can handle more than I think. I can move through uncertainty. I can take healthy actions from a calmer place and trust myself through this process. I don't need to force certainty right now. I just need to stay connected to myself. Connected to this moment, connected to my breath, connected to the truth that fear is temporary and this feeling can move. I allow myself to relax a little more now and trust that I'm going to be okay. Close your eyes again and take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. And just imagine what it would feel like to stop fighting uncertainty for a moment. Imagine allowing your shoulders to relax. Imagine allowing your nervous system to stop bracing for disaster. Imagine remembering that even though life is uncertain sometimes, you have survived difficult moments before. Feel yourself softening into the possibility that you may not need to carry this much fear anymore. And maybe you don't need to know exactly how everything will work out right now. Maybe you just need to trust yourself enough to take the next breath, the next step, and the next healthy action. Because calm gives you access to better choices. Fear narrows your vision, but calm opens it again. Take one more breath in and open your eyes. Life will always have uncertainty in it. That's part of being human. But uncertainty doesn't mean you're doomed. It doesn't mean you're powerless. And it doesn't mean you're alone. Keep coming back to this session whenever fear starts convincing you that you won't be okay. Because underneath all the noise, panic, and overthinking, there may already be a deeper part of you that knows something important. You are going to be okay. Drink some water after tapping and be gentle with yourself today. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.